How to get McDonald's working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in McDonald's promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you coupon code and promo codes for McDonald's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. Free burger, likewise free burger and fries, free items, and so on. If you're interested in any of the offer, click on the option of show coupon. So here's the coupon code. You can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of McDonald's. You can make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. By applying the same process, you can try out these offers as well. Also, make sure to check these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for McDonald's. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get McDonald's working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.